That was when I was 10, going to 11 years old. He had sex with me again because.
Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome to Naija Daughter Tv. If it's today your first time of coming across my YouTube channel, do well to join this beautiful family. All my returning, I'm loyal, I'm humble. May the good Lord bless you for always coming back to support this Naija Daughter TV here. My Facebook lovers, please, guys, do well to follow me and all my Facebook returning. I appreciate every one of you. May the good Lord bless everyone who always come to watch my YouTube channel, who always come to watch my Facebook page. I appreciate. I'm loyal, I'm humble. Thank you all my mommies, my daddy, my uncle, my auntie. I'm humble, I'm loyal. Give me thumbs up if you never give me thumbs up. Before you watch this video, don't forget to give me thumbs up. Give me thumbs up so that you will enjoy the remaining video. Today, I bring a lady, a girl, one of our sisters from Nigeria. They stay for Lagos. When her father, they always they duduvaga her. Her father started to sleep with her. If I say duduvaga, now I'm not saying sleep. I would put her as duduvaga. I don't know who. This my video will get to maybe children. When her father did duduvaga her, she did 10 years when her father started to duduvaga her. My people, I would love to play the video first before I drop my own opinion. I see this new for mock news channel. If you don't get our brother, they make me they laugh well. If not, we say at the record that they laugh. Now I'm not saying that his channel now I did so they collect video. The way they do it things, I don't know what to talk. In fact, everybody is unique in what they are doing. Let's listen, let's hear from him, and let's go straight to.
I forget, no, that they molest way. Any girl whether they call me when I want to get carried take back when you oh yeah now be only your area boys you could fear. Supposed to see the fear your papa because some papa they the devil.
The first time it happened, I explained to my mom. She did not do anything about it. So I was like, why did she not do anything about it? I called her that, Mom, something like this happened. She said it would be fine, that she would do something about it. I said, okay. But that time I was still small. I think it was normal. So it happened the second time again. That was when I was 10, going to 11 years old. He had sex with me again. Because,
This is your biological father?
yes.
Okay. And you told your mom and she didn't...
She did not do anything about it.
What's your mom's background? Like, where's she from? What does she do? Like, where did you guys live?
Live at Room and Palo, self-contained.
Lagos?
Yeah.
And she didn't do anything?
No, for now.
Did you have any other source of friendship, loved ones, or...
No, I don't have friends.
And you didn't have cousins, aunties, nobody?
No, I have no... Like, Daddy didn't want me to be... Because sometimes, whenever maybe Christmas time, like, Dad, I want to go and do one of my sister's place, or my one of my brother's people, like, no, I shouldn't go. I should just be with him, always.
At 10, I'm believing that you had a little sense of what was going on. You understood everything was wrong.
Yes,
Did you ask him why?
Yes, I asked him why. I was like, it's normal. That's what he told me.
Where's your father right now?
He's at the police gender desk because I don't know what they're doing about it now.
When did this come to light? When did you report this case?
That was in January.
This January?
Yeah. Because it has been happening for so long.
Sorry. What was your reaction, your first reaction, like the first ever time he tried it? What was your thought? Like, where were you?
I was like, is this man okay? Like, but the way he was doing, so I was thinking what he was doing was normal.
And you asked him and he said that?
Yes, that's what he told me. He said it's normal, that if I go online, I will see that it happened.
How did you get to reporting him? Like, what was the courage? How did we get here?
Because it always happened. So because
Was this constant?
like 3 times in a week.
Oh, gosh. Have you been to the hospital since? Like, have they...
When I went to my report at the Noveza, so they took me to Mirabel. So that's when I went to go to the test.
Can you run us through the day that you actually left home when you reported him?
Okay, it was this year. That was in January because he sent me a message to leave as well. My grand repair POS machine. So when I was thinking about what happened, I was like, let me go and report. Because what happened is that I was still there because of my education. Because I
At home?
Yeah, so I was still there because of my education. But if I should run away to affect my education, so I have to stay. So they said that when I was to do my WAEC, that was 2020. It was like you have to sleep with me first before you could pay my money for WAEC. So I was like, pay down.
Are you sure he's your father?
Yeah.
You asked your mom?
Yes. She said yes. So I was like, I have to write the WAEC, so I have to lay myself down for him. Unfortunately, he did not pay the money. It was like he did not have money for it. Same thing 2021. Same thing 2022. He lied that he will pay. He have to sleep with me first. So I have to. So when I said that he's not helping me at all, I have to run away.
You never got pregnant?
No.
How old are you now?
18, going to 19.
So you've obviously started seeing your period and stuff from a while back.
Yeah.
And all through, he's never gotten pregnant.
Yes. and he used to give me drug.
So he didn't care if you had ever got pregnant?
He doesn't care. Because there was a day I even asked him, what if I get pregnant? He was like, what is his business? If I have for my own life. So
like, what was your everyday day life with him, living in the house, not doing sex, but like when you're cooking, working, when you're going to school, like how were you looking at him?
I was looking at him like maybe my friend, because he doesn't look like my father to me. Because that would my own father be doing like that to me. You know?
Yeah.
When,
You're strong, you're so strong, and you're so...
she's at home with my uncle's brother.
What does she do?
Well, she doesn't sell food, but what happened is that where she was selling food before, they've sold the shop, so she has to be at home for now. Says she wants to look for another shop, so I don't know whether she has seen or not.
How old is your little brother?
Our second born is 14, going to 15.
He goes to school?
Yeah.
Do you still speak to your mom? Do you speak to her now?
No, because I don't have phone, so because he has seized my phone. Due to this reason, he was like, because that day I was making a call, I found one of my classmates, so he was like, who have I called? He think I was calling a guy. So he collected the phone. I was like, give me back my phone. He was like, you have to sleep with him again before you give me the back that phone. Since phone is not my problem, I did not collect the phone from him since that time. So I've been planning, maybe I know that by God's grace I will get one.
The day you were trying to leave home, he hadn't paid your WIAC fees over and over again. So that day, what got inside of you? What courage did you have to have left the...
Okay, what happened was that day I was at his work, his shop. So he sent me a message to Elaine. And whenever I remember what happened, I always feel bad. Sometimes I don't sit down and crying. So that day, I don't know what gave me the courage, to be frank. I don't know what gave me the courage. Because I was just sitting down. I just stand up. I was just going till I get to local government. That might just think that she went and I went to go and report.
And what did they say to you? How did
the
they
welfare officer are not taking the matter seriously. Like, God sent a woman to me who's maybe a friend is working at Ministry of Justice. Because the welfare officer are not doing anything about it. They're just telling me, come back.
How many times did you go there?
Almost like 5 times.
So how did you meet this other lady?
Because that day I was there waiting for the workers. So the woman I called me, she was like, she used to see me here every day. That what happened? I didn't know what to tell her before because I was just crying. She asked like what happened. She now sitting down. She was like, what happened? I explained to her. She feel emotional that she was also crying. She was like, she would help me because she's not in charge of such a matter. So she now picked up her phone. She called her friend who she's working at the Ministry of Justice. That one asked if she should come on Monday because that day was on Friday. Said she should come on Monday. So we went on Monday. So
they found the case.
Yes. And do you know what happened? When they arrested him, he denied it, and I have an evidence.
You have or you didn't?
I have.
You have, yeah.
Because that when I was like,
so as a young guy, if they come, be vigilant, yo. Always try to talk art. And all this mama, they if you born Pekin, if they send a message, they like go to that place, they like they only they cry. No say there is fire on the mountain. Just hands begin with it.
My people, drop your own opinion. What do you think? And who to blame? Who you supposed to blame? I know poverty is a disease. I'm sorry for that little, I'm the mommy of two. I'll only talk about it. My son and my daughter, and then they talk to me. My people, I hope now don't watch that video. Who you supposed to blame? I know poverty is a disease. Poverty can make you to do anything. But a responsible woman, a responsible mother, who they suffer for? You suffer for your children. Your daughter come and report to you at the age of 10 years. Your husband don't they do vaga her. At the age of 10 years, your husband they do vaga your own daughter. For example, maybe the man not say no be him you give, he give birth to that child. Then he can't abuse your own child for you. Husband, they abuse your own daughter. Your daughter open mouth, speak to you, mommy, see what this my daddy they do. You don't do nothing. Who you they suffer for? Why you dey inside that poverty? Why you dey suffer? Because of those your children, I make you dey struggle. You dey struggle, your daughter. If na even man, if na even papa, not believe say this man na a biological father. Because some women they are too deep. Maybe the man no say no be he get this girl. He want abuse her, he want molest her. Beautiful girl. Because you can't open your two eyes and start abusing your own daughter. How that your cucumber will take raise? How that your cucumber even take raise for your own daughter? That is why I said she not be your daughter. May they go to DNA test. Because I know say some men they disvaga their daughter, their own child. I don't see video, something like that. But this one was too obvious. One, her mother no. Because the one I film, her mother, now even dig the comment side. Shout. Cucumber when they enter your daughter body, the same the cucumber they enter. Fear! God forbid, I rebuke it in Jesus' name. Cucumber when you dey eat, your daughter dey eat am. Your daughter no even close mouth. She open her mouth. Tell you say, mother, see wetin dad, who you introduce to me as my father, see wetin she dey do to me. You quiet. Then this man start to dey, do vaga your daughter at the age of 10 years stroke 19 years. You don't do anything about it. You are there. Quiet. You see, sometimes people who speak, people who act, hot body, is still dey good. Some people, when they just calm, quiet, whether you do anything, they don't talk. Sometimes it's not good. You can't protect your child. Who you can protect? If you can't protect your own child, pikin when you put for womb for 9 months, man when you call husband, they abuse your own blood. I don't believe. Say that man, now this girl, father. Maybe the woman carry the belly give her. That is why, if she talk, the man will pursue her out. Because mother, I never see mother when you go see something like this, he go quiet. Whether it stop the man, in fact, good mother, now that day that marriage quench. Then quiet mother, when quiet finish, they go stop their husband. They will tell their daughter, say anytime they will shout. They know still come out. But this one not just do nothing according to her daughter. I think my player, nothing this woman do. That is why I said, this woman they fear. Say if she talk, the man go pursue her. The man pursue you, you go protect your child. You know better. You stay with your child. You protect your child. No be good parts. My people, leave your opinion. I just say me I bring her. And single mother is not a disease. If you mistakenly jam the wrong man, they quickly born one too. You can't be single mother. Not be disease. Stand on your own and work for yourself. Some men not deserve to call husband. Some men not be men. Some men not even be boys. Some men not even be picky boy when they give birth today. Some men no. Now so some women still be but for it's your husband to they abuse your child, your daughter, it's better you stay as a single mother to fight for your child. To protect your child. If you can't protect your child, who will protect your child? If you can't protect your child, leave it in the comment section. Who will protect your child? Yes, our God they protect our child, but we are the parents when God gives to our child to protect our child on this earth. God say, children, obey your parents. Children, parents, protect your children. You close eye. You not talk anything. That man, the abuser. My people, leave your opinion. For me, I'm so happy this girl speak out. And if you wear this girl's shoe, your father they abuse you, speak out. I'm so happy to see this kind of organization for my Nigeria, for my country. My country, they really develop. In fact, they try. I'm so happy to watch this girl, this particular lady. Speak out. Your father don't have right to sleep with you. It's abomination. It's bad thing. It's very, very bad. Your dad don't have right to sleep with you. The brother don't have right to come close to you, to have anything, something like that with you. And not any man have right to abuse you, except you accept it. Say, okay, I'm old. No, I'm aged to have boyfriend. That one not be abused. Somebody they tell you, say, no talk, speak. If your dad near you, speak out. If your mom not fit protect you, outside that can protect you, then look for any organization and speak and open mouth so that people will come for your rescue. If they can rescue this 19 years old girl, when her father don't do Vagra at the age of 10 years, till now, mama not get what he do, then the good citizen of Nigeria who have good association, they protect her and they rescue her. They don't arrest the man. They say the man they deny her according to her daughter. He said her dad they deny her, but she get evidence. The dad they krikri now. No, he later krikri. He dey police station now. Yes, I pray make this girl, may they give her therapy, may they give her psychology so that may they work with her. So because it not easy for her. If that man I read her father, real easy. She go they look and say she betray her dad, but the other one go they say why my dad they abuse me? Is it my dad? A lot go they go on her brain. I pray may they carry people when you go try to encourage her, work with her, talk to her, tell her, say, no, you do the right thing. No be the bad thing you do. My people, leave your opinion. Please try. Let us be our children keeper. Let us be our children. No, keeper. Protect your children. Anyway, protect your children. Whether you be man, say your wife, they abuse your child. Protect. Speak out. Whether you be woman, say your husband, they abuse your child. Speak out. Carry your child. Run. That man not desire to be your husband. That one don't desire to be your wife. Now, this one I get to talk. See, I meet you in my next video. Leave your opinion. What do you think about this case when I bring come for Una? I say for our, mock news, Parara, Brigade Laba, I say for his channel. Okay? See, I meet you in my next video. Please, all my returning subscribers, All my returning subscribers, I'm loyal, I'm humble, I appreciate every one of you. All my Facebook lover, my Facebook people, please guys, follow me on my Facebook, okay? Follow me now, see the same Naija Daughter TV. Follow me, subscribe, like the video. See, I meet you in my next video. All more now who they now who they calavanti, now who they do.
Discuss, cause I they win by default and without any doubt. I'm a me happy adult, I no go feed the